Study anytime, any place, at your own pace. Curious about how MyEdSpace works? Let's break it down. We offer 2 live lessons for every subject every week, led by the UK's top teachers. Our lessons are interactive, fun, and cover the full scope of the UK curriculum. Our lessons come with bespoke workbooks, targeted homework, and step-by-step video explanations that ensure that you understand every concept.
MyEdSpace teachers, first of all, they're very fun. They have tricks and tips that not a lot of teachers give you. They do lots of asking questions rather than just spitting stuff at you.
Even though there's like 100 times the amount of students, I feel like I was still able to ask my questions, get a response, and then build on that knowledge.
The fact that they're recorded, that it means if I miss my lesson, I could just watch it after.
With MyEdSpace, learning isn't just effective, it's also enjoyable. Want to see the results our students are achieving? Click here to see the results video. And if you want to learn more about what MyEdSpace is, click here.
MyEdSpace. Become the best of you.